Friends, in today's era, if a country wants to save itself from enemy's attack, then its missile system should be very advanced. So, my today's topic of lecture is Indian missile system. Basically, Indian missile system is divided in various categories. So, Indian missiles firstly categorized into two types. That is, first one is cruise missile, second one is ballistic missile. Cruise missiles are those missiles which travel along the surface and then attack its target and destroy it. Ballistic missiles are those missiles which goes into the atmosphere and there they gain a kinetic energy, and with that kinetic energy and also with the help of gravity they attack on their target and destroy it. The second categorization is based on the range. We are having five types of missiles which is categorized over the range. First one is short range, second is medium range, third is intermediate range, fourth is long range, and fifth is intercontinental range. Short range comes up to 1000 km, medium range 1000 to 2000 km, intermediate range 2000 to 3000, and long range 3000 to 4000 and up to 5000, while intercontinental is up to 8000 from 5000. So based on the launching modes, we are having several missiles which is categorized on the launching modes. First is surface to surface, and the example of surface to surface missile is Agni or Prithvi. Second is surface to air, that a missile is launched from surface and that it hits the target in air, and the example is Akash. Third one is air to air, that it is launches from an aircraft in the air and it hits the target in air. Example is Astra. Fourth one is air to surface like BrahMos, and the fifth one is anti-tank missile like Nag. So we will discuss in detail about these missiles, and firstly it is Agni missile system. Agni is having a series of missiles starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Agni 1, 2 and 3, they are the outdated versions of the Agni, and 4 and 5 they are the updated version. And 4 and 5 version of Agni, they are capable of carrying nuclear weapons, and they are the long range, and Agni 5 is intercontinental range surface to surface missile. Talking about the Akash, it is a surface to air missile. It is launches and it is a short range and of range 900 km. After that there is Astra. It is air to air missile and launches from the several aircrafts used by the Indian Air Force, and it hits the target in the air. After that we are having the surface air to surface like BrahMos and Nirbhay. They are also called cruise missile. These are BrahMos are the supersonic cruise missile, while and it is having a range of 300 km, while Nirbhay, it is also a cruise missile but it is subsonic cruise missile and having a range of 250 km. So India is having a powerful missile system so that its neighboring countries or the neighboring enemies, they are not attacking on India just due to this advanced missile system India has. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my lecture topic is Indian missile system. There are various missile systems in India which are classified on the basis of the type and warheads and range, and also on the basis of launch mode. So now talk about the classification of the missiles on the basis of the type. The types are the cruise missile or the ballistic missiles. The cruise missiles are the low flying missiles which cannot be tracked with the help of radar, whereas ballistic missiles are those missiles which work under the gravity and also fly to a great height, and then under the effect of gravity it fall on the target and it is trackable. Now talk about the other the classification on the basis of range. There are various ranges of the missiles, like short range, which has a range less than 1000 kilometer. Then come to medium range. It is between 1000 to 3000. Then come intermediate range missiles, which are 3000 to 5000. Then come intercontinental missiles, which have the range of 5000 to 8000. Now talk about the launch mode. There are various launch mode, like air to air, surface to air, sea to air, and anti-tank missiles. Now talk about the classification on the basis of the warheads. There are two warheads, like conventional, which require high energy explosives, and the nuclear warheads. Now talk about the various missiles India have. The first one is Astra, which is air to air missile, has a range of 80 kilometer and 37 kilometer of beyond visual range. It is the first missile developed by India. Then to come to Trishul. Trishul is a surface to air missile, and also it is a low flying missile which cannot be tracked by radar. The other missile is Akash. Akash missile is made to counter the aerial targets like jets, missiles, etc. Then come Prithvi. Prithvi air defense is a very important defense system for India, as it is an anti-ballistic missile which destroy the ballistic missiles in air. Then come BrahMos. BrahMos is a cruise missile. It is the world's fastest cruise missile, and BrahMos has a range of 300 kilometer. It has two stage engine. First one is solid propellant, and the other is liquid ramjet engine. Then it has a speed of 2.8 Mach. Then come Nirbhay missile, which support the BrahMos range, and also it is a long range missile of Mach 0.6 to 0.7 Mach. And then come to K-15 Sagarika missile. It is C2 surface missile, and also integrated with the INS Arihant class submarine. Now the other missile is Dhanush and Shaurya, which is also the submarine launch missiles, and support the navy of the Indian Armed Forces. Now talk about the Barak 8. Barak 8 is a surface to air missile, and it is co-developed by Israel and India. The Barak is a Hebrew word which means lightning, and this is the first long range missile of India. And after this, there is anti-satellite missiles which destroy the satellites in the moving in the low orbit of the Earth, and it can operate at the height of 1200 kilometer. And there are also the Agni missile, which have the various versions, which have the various ranges, like Agni 1 is a medium range. Agni 1 and Agni 2 are the medium range missiles. Then if we talk about the last ranges of the Agni, is 5th and 6th, which has intercontinental range. So these are the missiles which India have, and India is developing more good qualities of missiles and proving its potential in the world. Thank you.